Paper Cup Garden. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new bench we've got for our patio garden. This is bought from Wayfair.ca from Soul 72 Outdoor. It is the Manchester wooden garden bench. So, got the box open. Comes with the hardware, so that's what that's going to look like. And there are the screws to put it together. Let's keep going and take a look in here. Here we have one of the arms of the bench, and in the sunlight that looks pretty good. I like the color. And yeah, let's see if the battery holds out while I try to put it together. Here we have the instructions, and it seems pretty straightforward to put together. Comes with 2 Allen keys and screws. Alright, so step 3, we have these screws. They're Phillips, and that did not come with the Phillips. There we go. Nice garden bench. And that is happily gonna go. So here's a look at the bench after one season of sitting out in the weather. And we can see that the paint finish is wearing off in multiple parts of the bench. And I've spoken with Wayfair, and they have an excellent customer service, and they have sent a replacement bench, and I will be setting that up for next season and treating it to see if we can get the finish to last a bit longer. Thank you for watching this unboxing and assembly of the garden bench from Soul 72 Outdoor. As always, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe,